Hello students. So in this video I'm going to discuss the oceanic floor of Atlantic Ocean. The total area which is covered by the Atlantic Ocean is nearly about 8 crores 29 lakh 63,800 square kilometer. Thus it is the half of the size of Pacific Ocean, but accounts nearly about 1/6 part of the Earth's surface. It extends from Greenland in the north to the Antarctic in the south, and it resembles the shape of S. It is also enclosed by North and South America to the western side, and to the east lies the Europe and Africa. So, however, it is wide open in the southern part, but it is enclosed by the small islands of Iceland and Greenland on the northern part. Okay students, now let us discuss the floor of Atlantic Ocean. And as we have come to know that the Atlantic Ocean is the half of the size of Pacific Ocean, but it has some striking features. The Atlantic Ocean has vast continental shelf and it spreads all along the coast, but its width varies from 80 to 100 kilometer off the coast of Africa, whereas 250 to 400 kilometer off the coast of Northeast America and Northwest Europe. Now the most striking feature of Atlantic Ocean is the presence of mid-Atlantic ridge. It extends from Iceland in the north to Bouvet Islands in the south, paralleling the S shape of the ocean itself. Now it is around 1400 kilometer long and 4000 meter high. It divides the Atlantic Ocean into two deeper basins on its either side. Now it becomes quite broad at the latitude of 55° north, and it's also known as the Telegraph Plateau. Romance Deep near the equator divides the ridge into two parts. The northern part is known as the Dolphin Range, while its southern counterpart is called as Challenger Ridge. Although it is a submarine ridge, yet some of its peak project out of the water in the form of islands. Azores, Pico, and Cape Verde Islands are its main examples or some examples. St. Helena and Gough and the Bouvet Islands in the South Atlantic are of volcanic origin. Now there are many deep areas between the coast and the ridge of Atlantic Ocean, which is also known as basins. Now they are usually 4,000 meter deeper, and important basin of the Atlantic Oceans are the Labrador Basin, North America Basin, Guinea Basin, Brazil Basin, Argentina, West European Basin, Angola Basin, and Agulhas Basin. We have several islands along the Atlantic Ocean, and the islands like in the North Atlantic we have Newfoundland, British Isles, West Indies, and in the South Atlantic Ocean are the Falkland Islands are worth mentioning, and some smaller islands are also there in the mid-Atlantic ridge, which has already been discussed, like the islands of Azores, Pico, and Cape Verde. Trough and trenches. The Atlantic Ocean also lacks in the trough and trenches. Not much of trough and trenches are present in Atlantic Ocean like the Pacific Ocean. However, according to Murray, there are 19 depths with depth exceeding 5,500 meters. Only two are more than 7,000 meters deeper. North Cayman and Puerto Rico are the two troughs, and Romance and South Sandwich are the two trenches in the Atlantic Ocean. There are many marginal seas on both the sides of Atlantic Ocean. Most of them are located on the continental shelf. Some of the important seas are the Baffin Bay, Hudson Bay, North Sea, Baltic Sea, Gulf of Mexico, Mediterranean Sea, Caribbean Sea. All of them are in the North Atlantic Ocean. Next, we are going to discuss the submarine relief of Indian Ocean. Although Indian Ocean is much smaller in size than the Pacific and the Atlantic Ocean, yet it has an immense importance for us because it is located to the south of India, and this is only the ocean in the whole world which is named after the country, that is Indian Ocean. Now its total area is around 7 crore 34 lakh 25,500 square kilometer. It is just half of the ocean because it does not open towards the north in the Arctic Ocean. It is bounded by South Asia in the north, Indonesian islands and Australia in the east, and by Africa in the west. And in the south it is wide open and it extends up to Antarctica continent, for which it merges with the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. And Tropic of Cancer, it's the northernmost limit of Indian Ocean. Floor of the Indian Ocean. Now continental shelf in this ocean is much less compared to Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. Now its average depth is 4,000 meter. The floor of Indian Ocean has few irregularities compared to Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean, and it also lacks in trench except one, that is the Sunda Trench, which lies to the south of Java Island and it runs parallel to this island. Ridges. There are a number of broad submarine ridges in the Indian Ocean, in the floor of Indian Ocean. The most important submarine ridge is running from the south of Kanyakumari continuously. It runs to the southward to Antarctica, and it is situated in the middle and divides the ocean into two basins on the either side. Okay, so it is called the Lakshadweep Chagos Ridge in the north, the St. Paul Ridge in the middle, and the Amsterdam St. Paul Plateau in the south, where it widens out considerably. Now the central ridge is bifurcated into many other smaller ridges which reach the coast of Africa and India, and the two minor and parallel ridges northwest side, okay, runs towards the northwestern side. These are known as the Socotra Chagos Ridge and the Seychelles Ridge. Another ridge is also there, South Madagascar Ridge. Ridge runs southward from the Madagascar island and it widens in the south, where it reaches the Prince Edward Coast Ridge in the Bay of Bengal. Another ridge is also there, that is Andaman Nicobar, extends from the mouth of Irrawaddy to the Nicobar Islands, and beyond this towards the south is a very important ridge along the 90° east longitude, is known as the 90 East Ridge. Basins of the Indian Ocean. Now the central and the other ridges divide the Indian Ocean into many basins. Chief among them are the Central or the Mid Indian Basin, Arabian Basin, South Indian Basin, Mascarene Basin, West Australian Basin and South Australian Basins. Many important islands are also present in the Indian Ocean. They are which are the detached from the continental blocks, like the Andaman and Nicobar, Sri Lanka, Madagascar are the important examples. Lakshadweep, Maldives Islands are the coral islands, and the Mauritius and the Reunion Islands to the east of Madagascar are of volcanic origin, and the eastern section of Indian Ocean is almost devoid of islands. Now marginal seas, there are only two marginal seas in the form of Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are also treated as sea, but they are just the northern extension of the Indian Ocean. So students, with this we come to the end of the discussion of the flow, the Atlantic Ocean as well as the Indian Ocean. Thank you.